Welcome to Best of the Internet.
How to make a miniature spray can. First thing you'll need is a hot glue stick and a sharpener. You're going to want to smooth the top of the glue stick and cut it to size. Then spray the body of the can with some silver spray paint. Once that's dry, you can print and cut out a label and proceed to wrap said label around the body of the can, leaving the top curved part exposed. Then for some extra detailing, you can create small rings out of some thin wire and place them on the bottom and the top of the label. Then, for the nozzle, place some more thin wire into the top of the spray can and cut off the excess. Then, using some cotton buds, cut off a small piece of the stem and place it on top of the wire. You can also add a small dot onto the nozzle with a pen. Now you can stop here, but I decided to make the lids for the cans as well. Wrap some thin card around the body of the hot glue stick just to get the right size and glue in place. Once you've got the body done, it's time to paint. You can also add some glaze to the lid to give it that nice shine, and that's how you do it.